Hey, welcome back. So glad you're here tonight, or whatever time it is for you right now.
This is the simple and easy way to learn English.
Hey, how are you doing? Good day?
You know what? Actually, yes, it was a good day. Busy, but good. I finished everything I needed to do, and now I just want to relax.
That is the best feeling, the I finished everything feeling.
One of the best feelings. What about you?
Good too. A little tired. My eyes are heavy, which is actually perfect for today.
Oh? Why?
Because today's topic is your night routine. We are going to learn English using the things you do every night before bed.
Oh, I love this, because everyone has a night routine, even if they don't call it that.
Exactly. You already do these things. Today, you are going to learn how to talk about them in English.
A1 level, simple and warm, perfect for the evening.
And if you're watching this before bed, welcome. This is the most relaxing English lesson you'll have all week.
We hope so. Oh, and if you find this helpful, a like and a subscribe to Daily English channel really does mean a lot to us. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's start at the beginning of the night routine. You finish dinner. What happens next?
First, you clean up. You wash the dishes or put them in the dishwasher.
I washed the dishes after dinner. Very normal sentence.
I put the dishes in the dishwasher. Also very normal.
And maybe you clean the kitchen a little.
I wiped down the kitchen counter. Wiped down, cleaned the surface with a cloth.
Simple but useful. I wiped down the table.
Then you sit down, you relax.
I sat on the sofa and relaxed. Beautiful sentence.
I put my feet up, a phrase that means you relax completely. Literally put your feet on something.
After a long day, I finally put my feet up. Very natural English.
Very satisfying feeling.
Very satisfying. And then, what do you do?
Many people watch TV or a show on their phone or laptop.
I watched an episode of my favorite show.
I put on a film. Put on means to start something, start a film.
I put on some music and just sat quietly.
I scrolled through my phone for a while. Scrolled through means you moved through content on your screen.
I scrolled through social media. Very honest.
Very honest. We all do it.
Okay, now getting ready for bed, step by step.
Step 1, you turn off the lights downstairs.
I turned off all the lights before going upstairs.
I locked the front door. Locked means you used a key or button to make it secure.
I checked the windows were closed. A small but important habit.
I turned everything off. Very simple but very useful sentence.
Step 2, you go to the bathroom.
I brushed my teeth. Essential, every night.
I washed my face. Very common night routine step.
I took off my makeup, if you wear makeup.
I had a shower before bed. Some people prefer night showers.
I had a hot shower and felt so relaxed after.
Hot shower before bed, one of life's simple pleasures.
Really, so good.
I moisturized my face. Put cream on your face.
I did my skincare routine. Skincare routine means all the steps you do for your skin.
Skincare is very popular now. Many people have a routine.
My skincare routine takes about 10 minutes. Very normal sentence.
Step 3, getting into bed.
I got into bed. Simple. Perfect.
I pulled back the covers. Covers means blankets and sheets.
I fluffed my pillow. Fluffed means you made it soft and comfortable.
Fluffed. Such a satisfying word.
It really is. I fluffed my pillow. Very satisfying to say.
I set my alarm for tomorrow. Very important step.
I set my alarm for 7:30. Don't forget this one.
I plugged in my phone. Put it on charge for the night.
I plugged in my phone and put it face down. Face down means screen facing the table, so you can't see notifications.
Very smart. Very good for sleep.
I put my phone on silent. No sounds during the night.
Good habits. Good English. Now, what do people do in bed before sleeping?
This is where it gets cozy.
Very cozy. I read a book for a while.
I read a few pages of my book and then my eyes got heavy.
Eyes got heavy. You started to feel very sleepy.
My eyes got heavy around 10 o'clock. Very natural English.
I listen to a podcast, like this one.
Exactly like this one. A very good choice.
I listen to some calm music before sleeping.
I did some breathing exercises to relax. Breathing exercises mean slow, deep breaths to calm your body.
Very popular now. Very good for sleep.
I thought about my day. You remembered what happened and how you felt.
I wrote in my journal. Journal means a personal diary. You write your thoughts.
I wrote 3 things I was grateful for today. Grateful means thankful.
A wonderful habit. Very calming.
I said goodnight to my partner. Partner means husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend.
I said goodnight to my kids. Very warm, very human.
And then I fell asleep.
I fell asleep quickly. You went to sleep fast.
I couldn't fall asleep for a while. Sometimes sleep is difficult.
I tossed and turned all night. Tossed and turned means you moved a lot in bed. You couldn't get comfortable.
We've all had nights like that.
Too many of them. Okay, let's do a real conversation. 2 friends talking about their night routines.
Do you have a night routine? Like, do you do the same things every night?
Kind of, yeah. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I usually watch something for an hour. Then I get ready for bed.
What does getting ready for bed look like for you?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, do a little skincare. Then I get into bed and read for maybe 20 minutes.
Oh, that's nice. Does reading help you sleep?
It really does. My eyes get heavy after about 2 pages. What about you? What's your routine?
Mine is a bit chaotic, honestly. I don't really have a proper routine. I scroll through my phone too much and then wonder why I can't sleep.
Yeah, the phone is the enemy of good sleep.
I know. I keep telling myself I'll put it on silent and leave it across the room, but I never do.
Maybe try it tonight. Just one night. See how it feels.
You know what? Maybe I will. I've been so tired lately. I need to sleep better.
A good night routine really helps. Even just 10 minutes of quiet before bed makes a difference.
10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes.
You can. Okay, good night, everyone.
Natural, warm, full of night routine vocabulary. Wash the dishes, watch something, get ready for bed, brush teeth, wash face, skincare, get into bed, eyes got heavy, scroll through phone, put it on silent.
All in one conversation, all completely natural.
Okay, before we finish, a little challenge for tonight.
Oh, I like this.
Tonight, as you do your night routine, say each step out loud in English.
I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am getting into bed.
Present continuous tense. I am doing something right now.
You are practicing grammar and vocabulary at the same time, without even trying.
Your night routine becomes your English lesson.
Every night for free. How good is that?
Very good. Language learning doesn't have to be sitting at a desk with a textbook.
It can be lying in bed saying, my eyes are getting heavy.
The most relaxing grammar lesson ever.
And you know what? We want to hear from you. What does your night routine look like? Do you have one? Is it the same every night or different?
Tell us in the comments. In English, 1 or 2 sentences is perfect.
We read every single comment, and we love hearing about your evenings. Okay, let's go over what we learned tonight.
After dinner, wash the dishes, wipe down the kitchen, sit down and relax, put your feet up.
Evening time. Watch something, put on a film, scroll through your phone, put on music.
Getting ready for bed, turn off the lights, lock the door, brush your teeth, wash your face, have a shower, do your skincare.
In bed, set your alarm, plug in your phone, read a book, eyes get heavy, fall asleep.
All simple, all A1 level, all very real.
And tonight, try the challenge. Say your night routine out loud in English.
1 sentence at a time. That is your English practice for today.
Sweet dreams, everyone. Thank you so much for watching Daily English Channel.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to Daily English Channel so you don't miss our next one. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye. Sleep well.